That's well played. That's well played.
Changed his racket. He's using a blacked out racket at the minute.
Well played. Had to play maybe a couple more shots than he was expecting, but got the job done. Blink and you miss it. It's all over for the first set, and that's a very professional. Oh, terrific. That's more like it. He's found that one through as well. Nice and watchful under the overhead. Great deep return from Tsitsipas on the serve. A winning return to Barcelona for the four-time finalist Tsitsipas.